Everyday Health is sponsored by the Froedtert and Medical College of Wisconsin Health Network, turning what-ifs into what is possible.
Heart failure, also known as congestive heart failure, develops when the heart is not pumping as well as it should and can no longer meet the body's needs. It's a serious condition, however, treatment options are available. Here to tell us more is Dr. Nunzio Gaglianello, an advanced heart failure and transplant cardiologist with the Froedtert and the Medical College of Wisconsin Health Network. Doctor, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
What are the types of heart failure?
So there are essentially two types of heart failure. The first is systolic heart failure, where your heart isn't squeezing strong and isn't pumping enough blood forward. The second is diastolic heart failure, where essentially your heart is still squeezing normally. It just can't fill appropriately and it's stiff.
Who is at risk, and what are some early symptoms of heart failure?
People who are at most risk for heart failure are those who are getting older, people who have coronary artery disease, or blockages in the arteries of their heart, people who have valvular heart disease, people who have diabetes, and people who also have a genetic predisposition to having heart failure, so like a family history. Symptoms of heart failure, particularly early on, can be shortness of breath, just not being able to walk on a flat surface or difficulty climbing a flight of stairs, swelling in the legs, and sometimes when lying flat at night, waking up short of breath can be a warning sign that you may have heart failure.
Why should someone choose the Froedtert and the Medical College of Wisconsin Health Network for their heart failure treatment?
Our team consists of transplant and heart failure experts with more than 20 years of experience, and we can treat the entire gamut of heart failure. That starts from medical management of heart failure. That also includes remote monitoring for heart failure. We also have clinical trials that patients can get enrolled into for heart failure, and we can also offer cardiac transplantation for patients.
Doctor, thank you so much for being here today. Find a doctor who's right for you by visiting Froedtert.com/heart-failure.